In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off audio here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale content just like this. But if you need a quieter gameplay experience here in Clash Royale, here's how you can mute the sound in just a few taps. Begin by opening up Clash Royale and tapping the three lines up in the top right corner of your screen. It's going to pull up a menu that looks something like this. Select the settings option and then find the audio option right here from this menu. You're going to have a few different options when you click on this. You can have the option to turn off sound effects, but to still keep the music, which essentially just silences in-game actions like battle sounds. You can also turn off the music just like so to actually mute the background music while keeping the sound effects active. And then you can also just turn both of them off just like so, which will make it completely silent while you're playing your game. If they are on though, you can actually individually adjust these volume sliders to fine tune how loud or soft you want everything to be. But once you're done, simply go ahead and just hit this X again, and you'll be good to go. Now in my case, I'm going to keep them on, but it's completely up to you what you would like to do. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Clash Royale guides. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.